Hello everyone, let's pack an order together. Today I am packing an Etsy order. So the first thing she got was some fruity opalescence in Fruity Fresh. She got Sweet 16, which I have had forever, in ½ ounce. She got Funfetti ice cream in white. I have it in different colors. They come in pink, purple, blue, and green, or you could get the whole collection for a set price as well. This one is also very popular in my shop. She got an ounce. She got an ounce of my Fantasy Whites in the rainbow, which I have as number 9. In my Etsy, I have a total of 11 styles of white, I believe it is. 10 or 11, I think it's 11. So she got an ounce of number 9, which is the rainbow. She got Color Blast, which is this one. And I already double backed this one. It's really pretty. She got 2 ounces of that. And then she got my Candy Shop Neon Pastels in 5-gram jars. And these have Fruit Fun flavors. The names, anyways, these are also already packaged. And then she got the Shiny Micro Tiny Matte Squares in Mixed Rainbow in a 10-gram jar. And her order was over $35 because she shopped on Etsy. So she gets a free pack of 5 free glitter mixes, each in teaspoon set. And if you would like something similar like this, if you want to go straight to YouTube, purchase it with me through YouTube, it will be a lot cheaper. She did pay for priority shipping. I will be sure to include the shipping for you in your cost if you prefer it that way. I have no problem adding shipping to the total and just giving you a full total with shipping. Just let me know where you want it. You can send me a list at any time at my email. My email will be in the description box below of all of my videos. It is cookie with 2 E's 701@gmail.com. And that is how you can send me a list of anything you would like to order with me. And shopping through here will always be a lot cheaper. You can always go to my Etsy shop and shop there as well. Made to Glitter Cookie, Etsy.com. And I'll always be happy to serve you there as well. And there you go. Thank you for packing an order with me. Until next time. Bye.